What is the probability of flipping three straight heads using a fair coin? Okay, so to answer this, we can construct a tree diagram. So we have three straight heads using a fair coin. So the outcome for the first, we have head and tail, and then the outcome for the second, and then for the third. For the second, we have another outcomes head and tail. And then for the third, we have head and tail. Then for the third, so branch out ulit to, head and tail. And then for this, we have another head and tail. And then we have head and tail. And then last, head and tail. So how many outcomes do we have? We have 8 different outcomes. So we have 3 heads, and then we have head, tail. So H, T. And then we have HTH, and then we have HTT. Okay. Next, we have THH, and then we have THT, and then last TTH and TTT. TTH, TTT. So all in all, we have 8 outcomes over. So we want to have 3 straight heads. So therefore, 1 over 8 is the final answer, letter B. Follow me for more content like this.